All right, boys, it's Friday. I'm hyped. That means we are going to the Gambler this weekend. Actually, tonight we're leaving. Oh my God, almost fell. Anyways, going to the Gambler this weekend. So gotta get some stuff ready. Gonna go down, take my bike down to the shop to go grab the BMW, and I gotta load it up on the trailer, just organize some parts and stuff, and then we should be ready to go. Probably leave around like 3 or 4-ish, head down there, and nothing's going on tonight, but just want to get down there the night before, just so we're not leaving real early on Saturday. But it's practice and qualifying tomorrow, so I'll make sure to keep you updated throughout the weekend. But yeah, gonna go grab the BMW. All right, so this may or may not be the only way to start this thing. I'll just grab these. Just like that. There she is. Beep. Shoo-wee. Alright, before I go load this thing up, I actually got to put gas in it, just so we're ready to go. But good old pump 93. So I've got the BMW pretty damn packed. We got a rear end in there, tires, fuel, water sprayer. Got some, got a tow bin of extra parts back there. Tires up here. Then we go over to the freaking RV. Parts in there. Got freaking everything everywhere. So pretty much everything's where I need it to be. All the parts, extra parts, pieces, and everything. But now I just have to load it up on the trailer and get the food together, and we should be pretty damn close to being ready to go. So gonna hop on, put it on the trailer. Oh, and I gotta find a home for these 2 tires somewhere too, so. Got this thing all loaded down, ready to go, strapped down, loaded up, ready to head out. But I gotta change the plate real quick, because, you know, who cares about them New York tolls? Boom. Woo! Look at that thing. So we're on our way to New Jersey. We got Casey in that beautiful pink shirt, my brother. Got my buddy Jack, and yeah, Cosmic. So we're heading there, just leaving now.
Look at it, dude. He been cracking it.
Yeah.
Holy
Tie
shit.
strap around this bumper somehow. I'll put it in front of Winnebago and fucking yank it in front. Hold on, Winnebago. Guys, we're going down out here to our practice session here. These guys working super hard. We're going to send Root on his buy run. He needs to showcase that his car was capable of being line under his own power, and he does. Piloting that V8-powered gray E36 BMW. A little crunchy in the back, but it's still out here moving.
He got forked at the Gambler. Now doing a great job of mimicking and following Root line all the way into outside 2. Now falling a little bit behind, trying to pull up an angle out to get it back to the horsepower of the V8 under the Root BMW. We'll try to throw back into that front of the There it is. They transition now to our last and final wall. Root! 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 Trying to push that into the wall. Wild. Alright, we got our drivers back up at the line at Raceway Park, Nick Amber. Brian Hop, you just hop quick my mouth, dude. He's 40. Yeah.
I don't like calling that. It would be too.
All right, it's Tuesday after the Gambler that just happened this weekend, and I don't know where I'm going to put it in this video, where I'm going to put this in this video. I'll probably have had stuff before, so you'll get the context, but in my brain it's a little off right now. But I might make another video on all the Gambler stuff, but I should go over kind of what happened to the car and what it looks like now. So basically, it was a 2-day event. They did practice and qualifying on the Saturday, and it was just a little bit of practice in the competition on Sunday. So pretty much Saturday we got there, and I got some practice in there. Still was not feeling good. I wasn't entering right. I was handbraking it. I was kind of being a little bit of a wimp about it, but I corrected that the next day. Like, I qualified 9th out of, there's only 12 or 13 cars there. So I qualified 9th, which wasn't that good. It was like a 71, I think, which was trash. But the next day, I set out, I was like, you know what, I'm going to figure this freaking track out. Like, the entry on it's pretty hard. The track's way harder than it looks, but if you can get the entry down, you can get it down pretty good, and you can get the rest of it. But, so I really set out, I wanted to get it straight. I want to get the entry nailed. And I started clutch kicking it and entering pretty quick, and it seemed to work out, and just something clicked in my brain and in the car and everything, and I really got it down. But this all actually happened in practice on Saturday. Trying to figure out, I kind of had to learn where the walls were. Yeah, we got both sides of it, but learn where the walls were and try to get it figured out so I could do good, figure it out, you know? So, like I said, I don't know what's in this video, but we ended up getting second, which is really awesome. It was my second time there, second time on that track, and my second competition ever, so I'm more than ecstatic. And it was really cool. Like, we went up against pro guys, which I was like, my first battle was against a pro guy, and I went one more time with him. I was like, all right, that's all I need. I'm like, I went one more time with a pro guy. Like, that's freaking awesome. But yeah, overall, it was a great time. Got a cool trophy. Got a large check, which was cool. Like, as an actual physically big check. I've always wanted one. But all that, I mean, I was so ecstatic. I didn't expect that. Came down to the last battle with Chris Knapp, and it was a double eliminations because there were so few cars. So I had lost against my buddy Barack and went into the losers bracket, which kind of sucked. But I won all my losers bracket races and went up to Chris Knapp, and we had to beat him twice to make it official, so it's fair. You know what I mean? So I beat him the first time right away. You know, no one more time. So I beat him. The next time, I'm like, all right, got this. He led first, I chased, and it was I had a really pretty good chase. He had a pretty good lead run, you know. His car has a lot less power than mine, so it's pretty easy to chase. Actually, it kind of makes it a little difficult because you gotta be slow about it, but like it's weird. But if you drive, you know what I'm talking about. But went up against him, And his lead was good, my chase was good, and I went to make my lead, right? And once you hit the first zone, I was like, all right, sick. This is gonna be a good lap. I was filling the zones deep, came to the last outer zone, and I just overcooked it. I got in my head, overcooked it just a tiny bit, and over-rotated and spun the car. I wasn't pissed, but I was like, really? Come on. But I was so happy to even get second. I was like, holy shit. But Chris Knapp's a cool dude, and we had a good time, but yeah, it was just a blast. I was so surprised to get that far, and it was just, I came this close, and I'm pretty sure, looking at the battle on the live stream, I would have had it if I didn't loop it, but hey, it is what it is. There's always next time, and I'm super pumped for next time, going at the end of October here, so that should be a good time. I'll just go, I'm gonna go over some of the damage on the car and what happened, So overall, this side of the car, pretty good. Not bad at all. Got a little tire mark there from Nate Richards, which was sick. But yeah, got into the wall a couple times during practice here. That's what happened in this area. The trunk is currently held down by a ratchet strap. If you can see, oh no, I don't have it on there right now. But held down by a ratchet strap. So yeah, that's cool. Taillight, that taillight works. That one's destroyed. Whole rear is shifted one way, shifted the other. But look at these big Duck Club over fenders. Look at those things. Look at that bend. Granted, they broke there, but that's a very 90-degree angle. So move to this side. Pretty much the same thing, but hit the wall with this side. And overall, the trunk held up pretty good. We got a little bit of bend here and up in the corner there, but I mean, for how I hit the wall, not bad at all. This whole piece is shot. Whole side here, shot. But same thing, got in the wall on this side. It is what it is. Crinkled the quarter right here. Right there, there's a little crinkle. But, so as you can tell, the rear of the car is pretty shot. But I'm just for now, I'm gonna just porta power it out and get it kind of relatively straight. Looking all right, you know what I mean? Just for the end of the season. But over winter, I'm probably gonna cut the rear off, get the over fenders that come with the taillight buckets here, the Big Duck Club over fenders. But yeah, and we got a little damage on the side of the car too. So yeah, as you can tell, it's got the Camaro in the way. We got a little bit of damage right there. The door's pretty messed up. We got some paint there. That was from a car spun right in front of me, and I was coming through the transition, and it was just no time to react properly or avoid him. It was kind of just one of those deals, but he got back out and actually battled him like 12 times with one more times and stuff. So that was cool, but yeah, the door doesn't open, so that's a little bit of an issue, as you can tell right there. But we'll get that figured out. Same deal, get it straightened out, make it better. Good enough for the rest of this year. That being said, there's only one Gambler left this year, which obviously, I don't know if I keep saying the Gambler, but it's just a drift competition down in Englishtown, New Jersey, which everybody should go check it out. And if you're around, drive it, because need more drivers, more fun. They do side bets. It's $4,000 to win it. So, I mean, some money. We know some drift competitions don't pay anything. So, definitely got to check that out if you're around. Or not around, fucking drive far, I don't care. But it's an awesome event. Everybody that runs it's cool, and great time. I met so many new people, which was great. New drivers, new crew guys there, and it was just fun time. Everybody supports each other, hypes each other up, like there's some pro guys there you can talk to, which was really cool. They're like, it's just an awesome time. Got to get down there and do it. But yeah, there's one there's another one at the end of October, 23rd and 24th, that's going to be on the E-Town Road Course, which is where they do the Club Loose events and everything. So I'm really excited for that. I've driven the track before, but never tandemed on it or done the competition on it. So it should be pretty interesting. I'm excited. Got some momentum coming in here. So I'm really excited. The only thing is we got to find some more tires. Granted, that looks like a lot, but the road course is hard on tires, and you can't freaking find any tires again. Again, no tires available, so it is what it is. But that's what I'm gonna end this video. I'm super happy, even though rear of the car is destroyed. Front of it's fine. I don't know if I mentioned that. Front of it's fine. And through all of this, I mean, this wheel got a little, it looked like it gained a little positive camber, that way. But overall, I mean, the thing drove great, all smashed up. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, and I don't know if I'm gonna make another video about the with all the runs or something, but that's it for now. So